इट्स मंशा, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल क्राफ्ट मेनिया। आज के वीडियो में हम किसी भी क्राफ्ट रिलेटेड चीज़ के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे सिंस इट इज़ सोशल मीडिया, सो वी विल टॉक अबाउट द सोशल इश्यूज. And the one that I'm talking about today is bile depression. You know, children are the most beautiful creatures on this planet. They are the most beautiful flowers that you've ever seen. And they are so pure. There is no lie, there is no fakeness, there's just innocence, honesty. What happens, just imagine what will happen if these children who are mirrors of happiness, they are a boon to us. If what will happen if this boon turns into a bane? What will happen if these mirrors of happiness, these faces of innocence, will turn into sufferers of nightmares like depression? So here I am proudly introducing to you guys this NGO that we'll talk about today, that is Ashman Foundation. They have done a brilliant job in upliftment of women, upliftment of children, and the low-income families.
So, here we at the Ashman Foundation started this initiative called the Bal Depression Campaign, where we ensure that the children have enough resources to cater their childhood, be it in the form of toys or various productive methods to utilize their time.
For parents today, I would like to tell you this, that it has become really important, moreover in this COVID times, because हम सबको पता है COVID में from बूढ़े and from adults सबसे ज़्यादा बच्चों पे अफेक्ट हुआ है, बिकॉज इट हैज़ कम्प्लीटली कंस्ट्रिक्टेड देयर सोशल लाइफ. दे यूज टू गो टू स्कूल, दे यूज टू मीट देयर फ्रेंड्स, बट अभी वो सब नहीं हो पा रहा है. दे आर ऑल आइसोलेटेड इन देयर होम्स इन द सॉलिट्यूड. सो वी नो दैट खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर होता है, एन एम्प्टी माइंड इज अ हाउस ऑफ अ डीमन. एंड the initiative protects them from going into those uh, wrong ways, those bad, unrestricted paths that we need to protect the children of today from going into. They ensure that there are enough productive methods that helps them in maintaining this healthier lifestyle, this happy lifestyle. They ensure that the children who are these blooming faces, they do not come turn into those glooming ones. So I will make sure that I mention all the social media handles of Ashman Foundation in the description box below, so you guys can check out what amazing work they are doing in making this initiative come true, come possible. And this is such a great initiative for the children today, because in COVID times this risk has increased to many folds. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. I just wanted to make sure that you are aware of this increasing risk for children, and make sure that the children around you, आपके आसपास जितने भी बच्चे हैं, वो कुछ ना कुछ productive activities में engage हों. आप उनकी जिस भी तरह से मदद कर सके प्लीज़ कीजिए. You can go and check out on Ashman Foundation's pages. They are doing an amazing job in helping the children come out of depression. And yeah, that was it from my side. I will see you next time. Bye bye.